Easy English for kids, making learning fun for your little one. Lesson 7. Animals. Animals. Жануарлар. Let's revise numbers. Сандарды бір еске түсірейік. 1 2 3 4 5 One more time. 1 2 3 4 5 Excellent. Read and say. Оқы және айт. Read and say. Look at these animals at the zoo. Мына хайуанаттар бағындағы жануарларға қарайық. Бірінші тұрған camel. Camel. Elephants. Elephants. Lion. Lion. Monkeys. Monkeys. Bear. Bear. Parrots. Parrots. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Snake. Snakes. Bats. Bats. Okay, excellent. One more time. Repeat after me and learn the new words. A camel. A camel. Tüye. A camel. Camels. Camels. Tüylер. Қандай өзгеріс? A camel. Camels. Эш жалғау жалғанды. An elephant. An elephant. Піл. Қайталаймыз. An elephant. Elephants. Elephants. Пілдер. Elephants. Okay, the next. A lion. A lion. This is a lion. It's a big lion. Lions. Lions. Арстандар. Lions. A monkey. A monkey. This is a monkey. Бұл маймыл. Monkeys. Monkeys. These are monkeys. Бұлар маймылдар. Monkeys. A bear. A bear. This is a bear. It's a big brown bear. Bears. Bears. These are bears. A parrot. A parrot. This is a parrot. Parrots. Parrots. Repeat after me. Parrots. Say parrots. Okay, the next. A kangaroo. A kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroos. 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 A snake. A snake. This is a snake. Snakes. Snakes. Жыландар. Snakes. Қайталап отырамыз. A bat. A bat. Жарғанат. A bat. This is a bat. Bats. Bats. How many bats? 4 bats. Yes, 4 bats. Okay, excellent. Very well. And we have a new song. Listen and sing. Жаңа әнді жаттау үшін менің артымнан қайтала. Lions and cats. Lions and cats. Lions and cats. And a kangaroo. All the animals in the zoo. Parrots and bats. Parrots and bats. Parrots and bats and a kangaroo. All the animals in the zoo. Elephants. Elephants. Elephants and a kangaroo. All the animals in the zoo. Now let's sing a new song together.
Lions and cats, lions and cats, lions and cats and a kangaroo. All the animals in the zoo. Parrots and bats, parrots and bats, parrots and bats and a kangaroo. All the animals in the zoo. Elephants, elephants, elephants and a kangaroo. All the animals in the zoo.
Read and say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Listen and say. Please at first repeat after me. 1 snake, 2 snakes, 3 snakes, 4, 5 snakes, 6 snakes, 7 snakes, more, 8 snakes, 9 snakes, and then 10. Now say it all again.
1 snake, 2 snakes, 3 snakes, 4, 5 snakes, 6 snakes, 7 snakes, more, 8 snakes, 9 snakes, and then 10. Now say it all again. 1 snake, 2 snakes, 3 snakes, 4, 5 snakes, 6 snakes, 7 snakes, more, 8 snakes, 9 snakes, and then 10. Now say it all again. 1 snake, 2 snakes, 3 snakes, 4, 5 snakes, 6 snakes, 7 snakes, more, 8 snakes, 9 snakes, and then 10. Now say it all again. snakes, 3 snakes, 4, 5 snakes, 6 snakes, 7 snakes more, 8 snakes, 9 snakes, and then 10. Now say it all again.
Now, children, the next task is ask and answer. How many? Look at this picture and answer my question. How many bears? How many bears? Неше аю бар? Мына суретте. How many bears? 1, 2, 3. 3 bears. Yes. How many snakes? Can you count? How many snakes? Санаймыз, қанша жылан бар? Yes, you're right. There are 10 snakes. 10 snakes. 10 жылан бар, я? There are 10 snakes. How many lions? How many lions? Қанша арыстан бар? Yes, 6 lions. 6 lions. Okay. How many elephants? How many elephants? Yes, 2 elephants. Now, my dear friend, your home task is to learn numbers from 1 to 10 and to learn our new song, Lions and Cats.
Lions and cats, lions and cats, lions and cats and a kangaroo. All the animals in the zoo. Parrots and bats, parrots and bats, parrots and bats and a kangaroo. All the animals in the zoo. Elephants, elephants, elephants and a kangaroo. All the animals in the zoo.
Now let's sing together. Lions and cats, lions and cats, lions and cats and a kangaroo. All the animals in the zoo. Parrots and bats, parrots and bats, parrots and bats and a kangaroo. All the animals in the zoo. Elephants, elephants, elephants and a kangaroo. All the animals in the zoo. Remember, my friend, learning never ends.